Hello and welcome to another video. Glad you're joining me here in my diecast room in Bavaria in Germany. Once again we are taking a look at some models from Mini GT, and I would say let's start with a quick overview. We got one Bentley, one BMW, one Lamborghini, one RUF and one Nissan Skyline GT-R, and I would say let's get right into the unboxing. And start with this one here that is coming with a special packaging if you compare it to the other ones. So this is number 193, the Lamborghini Huracan Evo Bologna Airport 2020 Follow Me car. So yeah, let's get this one here out of its packaging, and while I'm getting rid of the plastic wrapping, for all of you that are not familiar with the Mini GT cars, they do come with a metal body, metal base, rubber tires. Normally they come with a very nice deco, a lot of details, and yeah, normally, and that is something special. Many detailed diecast cars don't do it. These Mini GTs do roll normally very well. So here we are, the Bologna Airport 2020 Follow Me car. To be honest, I have no idea if this thing is really running around at the Bologna Airport. I don't know. Maybe this is more for show. So yeah, as you can see, this one comes with a light bar on top, and it comes in the Italian colors. And if we take a look at the hood, you can see that the car is saying "Follow me." What does it say below? Well, I have to say I can't read what's there below, but here on the back or on the engine cover you can see "Follow me." We have this little plastic piece and we can see some engine details. Very nice. It's coming with some nice black rims. Looking very good. Yeah, a nice model. So let's check out if this one is rolling. Yeah. And this is interesting. I mean, look at the stance of this model. It sits very low, but it's still rolling. So yeah. I mean, you won't send down this one here. You won't send it down a track or something. It's not a model for playing, but yeah, it's always nice when they do roll. So let's put it back and let's go on with this one here. So I've had to wait a long time for this one here. Pre-ordered it months ago, the RUF Rodeo presentation, number 421. So it seems like here in Germany we are always a little bit behind. I've seen other YouTubers from the US that already did unboxings of these Mini GT models. I think 1 or 2 months ago. But yeah, it is how it is. Yeah, so this one, yeah, very, very cool, a very special model. Do like that. Wow, look at this. So, to have a nice golden, metallic golden livery. And now look at all these details. The shovel here on the back, on the engine cover. We do have this auxiliary lights, lanced headlights, golden 5 spokes, and then we take a look at the roof. Oops. Coming with some with a roof rack and yeah, some 2 suitcases, and I don't know what's there in the middle, maybe a tent or something. I don't know. Here where the license plate normally sits, we see some kind of rope. Yeah, very, very cool model in my opinion. So yeah, I think with Mini GT normally you get a lot of die-cast for your money. Like many other things, these Mini GTs are more expensive than, let's say, 1 year ago. There was a time when you could buy them for 10, 11, 12 euros. Now normally you have to pay around, I would say, 14, 15. Well, depends always on the seller and also on the model. But yeah, I think these are definitely still worth their money. So yeah, very nice. As we go on with this one here. Oops. And I have no idea how to pronounce this. Bentley Mulliner Bacalar. However, yellow flame. I think it's a very interesting convertible. Number 406, by the way. This one has very interesting rims. Get it out. It's stuck in there. And here we are. Yeah, well, I have to say the livery, yeah, not something, yeah, not my cup of tea, I would call it. But yeah, I have to say it's special, and I think it matches the car in some way. Lanced headlights for sure, and as I already mentioned, look at these rims. Very cool in my opinion. Now there are some people that complain that these Mini GTs don't have, or that you can't see any brake disc and calipers and that stuff. But yeah, I have to say I don't really miss it. For me, it doesn't matter. I really like the style they do their cars, and we have a very detailed interior. Look at this. I hope hard to see because it's a lot of black, but some details on the gauges. Won't focus. Some stitching on the seats. Very nice. Now let's check if this convertible is a roller. Oops, crash. It rolls. Didn't check the roof. Yeah. Also a roller. Now let's park them next to each other, and let's go on with this one here, another German car, the BMW 750 Li xDrive in black sapphire. Yeah. BMW 7 Series, always very cool. I mean, there were times when these huge limousines were like the top range of luxury cars. Every automaker or many automakers had these, but now, I mean, many people do prefer SUVs, and say this kind of body style of a car isn't that popular anymore, but I still like them. Oh yeah, very cool. Wow, look at the rims. Yeah, we have this huge grille. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of this huge grille, but it is how it is. But I mean, this model is, once again, so cool. I mean, look at all the details. The lensed taillights, look at these beautiful rims, all the details here on the side, on the front. We have the BMW badge, the heating wires here. And this is interesting. I mean, look at this. We also have some exhaust details here. Wow. Very, very nice. So let's see if it rolls. It does. So we can park this BMW and finish this up with something special. And I have to admit, I already opened it up because I wanted to take some pictures. So this was kind of hard to get at the store where I normally buy this diecast stuff. It was immediately sold out, so I had to get it yeah, from eBay, something similar than eBay here in Germany. But yeah, I'm pretty happy that I got one. The Christmas edition 2022, the Nissan Skylin GT-R Top Secret. Limited edition, one of 9,999. So as you already have seen, it comes with a special packaging. Looks like this when you take it out of the cardboard, and here we go. This is really cool. I have to say it's a little crazy, but it's nice. So, saying Merry Christmas on the sides. Santa Claus here on the hood, also saying Merry Christmas. A lot of details. Nissan on the wing. Got this glove here. Red 6-spoke rims. Lensed taillights, exhaust details. Lensed headlights. Yeah. Just nice. Let's do a quick roll check. Yeah, it rolls. So now let's put the rotator to the side and bring the cars a little bit more in front. Yeah, really nice. Yeah, it's always hard to decide which one is my favorite of these five. Really hard. I think it's the roof. Just because it's so different. Yeah, very nice. And that's it. I hope you did like the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Say thank you for watching. Happy hunting and see you next time. Bye.